Okay, here's a little test run of the 2000 Mercedes CLK320 convertible, two-door, of course, and give it a little test run there for you. Okay, I was able to shoot up to about 50 miles an hour just that quick. It's got pretty decent takeoff. Had the engine warning light on, but that's having to do something with a I don't know if it's an oxygen sensor. I'd have to go back and read the code on it, but it's not bad a condition. As far as the money goes, we are asking at this point $3,000 our best offer. Clean title, black, convertible top, and you'll be able to come look at it if you want. You can message us on our video here below if you want to see it. Just leave a comment. We're located in Piedmont, South Carolina, which is in the upstate, Greenville County. Contact us at Whiter Than Snow Appliances if you want to come see it. It's available as of January 29th, 2021. Thanks.